couldn't figure out why I was missing fish.
He's a little frustrating.
So then...
You look naked when I film like this. Alright, my parents have left, and this is what we're doing.
Oh, we're checking the rigging, Millie. See it spinning on top of the mast? Look, come here. See that up there?
What do you want to do today?
This.
Yeah, let's do this. We've been pretty lazy. Just
yeah, it's the
felt
weather.
Weird not doing things actually and also be together. Hey Millie, what are you doing? Hey, stop. Got a ton of small projects left and haven't started any of them. Kind of been a long time since we've enjoyed some downtime together. And just been in a home we feel comfortable in. We do love our new boat though. We are in Hopetown and we're ready to go on a little dinghy adventure. We have no idea where we're going. So we're gonna head out here in the dinghy and see where we end up.
Imagine stars lighting up the night and a shooting star so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever.
What was the 2 minutes? You need 2 minutes?
Don't ask.
Don't tell.
Don't ask.
Toilet paper or razor involved?
Alright, you ready now? Still, okay? We do have a life vest remaining, just saying. In here in this bay.
Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why?
On the south side of Elbow Key lies a stunning little spot called Tahiti Beach, where the sandbanks come alive at low tide. It's like nature's playground, suitable for everyone from tiny humans to seasoned adults, offering the perfect setting for unwinding and soaking up some good vibes.
To stay this way.
What?
Like you wanted to,
You're going swimming?
like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers. I'm thinking ahead.
After a year of navigating life's roller coaster with all its twists and turns, we were finally beginning to find our groove again, feeling like we were getting reacquainted with our own lives.
First I think of a delicate thing and then of a break it. I'm thinking of habits, yeah, all of the bad bits. Wish there was a sequel, might tell the good parts and I could have it. But mama says bad days are necessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I guess it makes sense what she said. But I'm hoping for good days. Mama says bad days are necessary. But I'm
Honey,
hoping for
you don't have to put peanut butter in your legs. No. Don't rub it in. You put jelly on your legs. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Jelly monster. Jelly on your mouth. Oh, me. Should we go on the little boat with Mom? Or we'll go out and spearfish big sharks? And go?
Mommy, look.
Yeah, we'll tell her to look.
Yes, there are moments when I have to confess that my biggest dream is to be home alone. While racing Millie, we aim to roll with life's punches, not sweat the small stuff, and take her along on our crazy journey, but let's face it, that also means a whole lot of family time. And as much as I love them, sometimes I daydream about just having a solid 15 minutes to get some work done without interruptions. Thankfully, during the winter months, when Cody's home more often, this dream occasionally becomes a reality. He'll whisk Millie away on their own little escapades, leaving me with some precious time to catch my breath and catch up on things.
So, if we throw the shark in over here, he's gonna go down here. See how the water's moving? Which way? Yeah, that way. So if we throw the shark, just wait. Throw the shark in there. Wait. Just wait. Watch him. He's gonna come this way. Alright, coming in. Hey, what are you doing? You rescuing the shark? Okay. You rescued the shark? Nice. High five. What happened to him? What happened? Oh, he's swimming again? So here's my problem, you know.
What?
I missed a few fish so far, like some pretty good ones too. And I couldn't figure out if it was this or if it was the setup that I was trying to run here. Here.
Okay.
This is like an O-ring deal where you put the tip through, put it on here, and it holds tension down, which is really tight right now, but when it's down, it's not that bad. It just keeps the tip from falling off too easy. But I was sitting here and I couldn't figure out why I was missing fish. Like easy fish too, like very soft skinned fish, if that makes any sense. But I was sitting here, I was playing with it, and then if you have it in a certain spot, like let's say you shoot it into the fish and it turns sideways, then to pull this off, it gets kind of jammed on these little guys here. That if you get sideways, you literally can't take it apart. Here, try it.
Oh.
That's bad, right? That makes complete sense, because I mean most of the shots, swimming like this, you hit them, and then they go to maybe swim into it.
Yeah.
And it literally, like, pull it.
No, I just did, Cody.
I know.
So.
Pull it now. Just touch it. Just touch it. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
That needs to be filed down. I think that's the whole reason.
So it's the plan to avoid this, or to solve it, or to catch the fish.
I think to file down a little bit more on the tip. So there's a flat spot here. You did it. No, right there on the tip. Right. No, just so it doesn't fall off. See, you see the problem here? See, this goes on and it gets stuck coming off. Why don't you file this edge down right there?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not working. Watch, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see how it's knocking it down? Right there. Put some pressure on it with your finger. Right here. There you go. Do like that.
Yeah, so Cody will go out fishing now. Thought maybe I would go, but Millie and Cody's had a good day today, out and about. She hasn't napped yet. I'm gonna sit here. I'm on a roll with editing, so he's gonna go out and have a blast. Hopefully, I told him to bring the camera in case they see something cool, and hopefully we can take you guys on a trip.
All right. 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 The first of the last ride. Taylor's with a nice hog.
They don't freeze up top. Good catch. He's a little frustrating.
Not.
He's very frustrating.
I'd
It's
bring
not me,
you
I
home.
promise. It's not me that's the reason that I'm always looking to be annoyed, because I am a little annoyed because it's frustrating. Anyway, Cody went fishing and came back with a huge catch. Okay, this is, he went out with 2 other people, so some of it is they shared and whatever, but this is
that's Millie's lobster
mutton
tail.
snapper and Millie's lobster tail. We're gonna cook that with her tomorrow. She's very excited about that. This is Nasa grouper. Look at that meat, man. It's so white. And this is hogfish, also very white, really cool meat. And a Cerro mackerel that we're gonna make into, I think, sushi tomorrow. So I made rice already. It's gonna cool off. And we're gonna freeze these babies in our awesome freezer. Need to put it down a little. I think there's a cooling plate right there. So we're gonna do this guy, and this guy, and start to eat fish though.
I know. Did you make
Yeah,
pasta?
So much fish.
Or did you make rice?
And I have made meatball pasta today, so.
You made
obviously.
meatball pasta and we have fish?
Well, I had frozen meatball dough.
You're right.
leftover.
The fish is better when you let
Millie
it
ate
sit.
a lot, and Millie hasn't had a single nap today. It's about 8 o'clock. I hope that she will sleep through the night. She started to sleep in her own room, and we're very excited. Anyway,
I wish we had it all on film, but I'm terrible at filming.
Cody is terrible at filming. We don't need to film it all, but we're gonna start to film the highlights
Tried
and
one.
the low lights.
I know. It was sweet though. We had
Good night.
Taylor went down and we saw mutton from the top. She came down. We were in 50 foot at the sand bottoms, up to even 25 at the coral, and then usually it was like 50 to 35 in that range with rocks. But she dove down, made a good run on a mutton, and then I went down as her backup and looked over, and there was a Cerro mackerel coming right for where she shot the mutton. So then
You look naked when I film like this.
I'm naked. I have shorts on.
Alright, and then what?
So she shot it, and then that thing must have been attracted to where she shot it. There must some sand or I don't know, but it didn't even look at me, so I was able to like intercept it, and then it turned, and I followed it and made a good shot. I think on the back.
That's good.
It didn't mess up the meat. I thought I stoned him right in the spine, but no.
That's good. Cody gets so excited
Like
when he
sometimes
gets to
you'll
go
knock her
fishing.
back.
And it's not as often anymore. Our Bahamas seasons
Well,
are a little
it's
bit
been
different, but
terrible
we do
weather.
have, it's been
No, it's
terrible
been
weather,
terrible
and we do
weather.
have friends around, so this makes it easier.
Well,
and he got to go out with some really good ones
Even
today.
today was just like, we got 1 hour. That was 1 hour of fishing for that. Max. I'd say 45 minutes in the water.
Good job, homie.
And then we checked another spot, but nothing.
All right.
That's it.
That's
the
it?
story.
That's the story?
Cut.